Hey guys, William Saunders here. Today I'm going to show you how I generated over $19,000 in 38 minutes or over $16,000 in 15 minutes. But check this out. This was all done with no selling, no recruiting, and I assure you that nothing is faster and still legal. Now let's keep in mind that my results are not typical, but here are some that are. Many of our members have reported some amazing results. Over $100 a day, over $150 a day, over $200 a day. So you can see how simple $1,000 weeks can add up. The truth of the matter is that this only took 1 to 2 hours of physical work. So what would you do if you knew how to take $50 and turn it into $85 in 1 to 60 minutes? Now here's your chance with binary option trading. Binary option trading allows you to make profitable returns on assets whether the market is good or bad. With new technology, there is no need for any software setups or hours of sitting in front of your PC in order to get results. You can also trade from your phone or iPad or any device that has internet. So it allows you to trade when you want and how much you want. But if you're not educated, then you're just simply gambling. That's where we come in at. Print My ATM is here to teach you recession-proof trading strategies, how the market function, money management skills. You start off with a demo account. Begin to implement our 3 basic techniques, and as your knowledge and confidence grows, then so does your trading size. So the more you understand the market, then the more money you're going to make. Once again, this is not some get-rich-quick overnight scheme and requires some learnable skills, but trust me, your family will thank you for it later. I'm so confident that you will see value in our trading course, we decided to give you a 14-day trial. And if you feel it's not worth it, then cancel at any time and you won't be charged. Spots are very limited. We have a small group of highly trained coaches who can only accept a handful of students. So get in while
Take action today. Click the link in the description below this video now.